Hi guys, this is Vinod. I'm going to discuss about what is share market in this video. Okay, fine. Uh, Here in this scenario, everyone is talking about shares, what is stocks, and it is going up 10%, Nifty, Sensex, and everything. Okay, in this video, I'll able to make you understand what is share market. Okay, fine. We'll go into the video. First, we'll look into what is shares. Okay, what is shares? Let's say I am giving the definition for shares. Share is referred to as a unit of ownership in a company. Okay, you may not be able to understand the definition, but I'll give the examples. Through that we can able to understand the definition. Okay, there is a company called XYZ Limited. They are into cool drinks business. What they are selling cool drinks in retail shops, and then that company is managed by only one person called A. Okay, A. Let's take example A. He has complete ownership of that company. That means what? He has 100% ownership of this company. So he don't have money, okay, personally. So he want to sell his company to another person. Not fully, he want to sell it partially. There is another person called B. He want to enter into some cool drinks business. He want to buy some part of. He want to invest in some cool drinks business who are doing that. So A is willing to sell it, right? So A has the ownership entirely into the XYZ Limited. Let's say the value of that company is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. And then here we are assuming each share rupee is 10 rupees. Each share is worth 10 rupees. So how much shares will be there? 1 lakh divided by 10 equal to 10,000 shares. The company has 10,000 shares. The 10,000 shares is entirely owned by right now A. He want to sell 50%. How much 50% of 10,000? 5,000. He sells 5,000 to B. Okay. For how much B pays to A? 5,000 shares. Okay. Totally he is getting 5,000 shares. Each shares how much it is worth? 10 rupees. So B pays 50,000 to A. And then A gets 50,000. Right now B has 50% ownerships. A has 50% ownership because A sold 50% to B. B has 5,000 shares. Total share of that company is 10,000. Right now A has 5,000, B has 5,000. That is called shares. Initially what is who has that company ownership? A only. Now A and B has, because B bought his shares. That is called shares. Share is referred to that unit of ownership. I told the definition previously, right? Here you get the sense of the definitions. See, that is 100% shares. A has 50% shares, B has 50% shares. Unit of ownerships of the total company shares. That is called share. You got the definition. You understand little bit about what is shares, right? Next we go to share market. What is share market? Simple. Share market is the place where shares are exchanged and money is transferred to the person who is selling shares. Like in this example, I'll give some additional point to understand what is share market, why it is needed. Okay, see, if normal people want to invest into some cool drinks business, how can I find a company who are already doing the cool drinks business? How can the B knows there is a person called A which are into cool drinks business? They can't go on search in every state and everywhere. They can, that is not possible, right? So there should be a common platform where the information has been distributed. Everyone came to know that, and then they can, if they want to go on invest in this company, they can go and buy. That kind of place should be there. So that place for exchanging shares and the money transferred to the person who are giving the shares, that place is called share market. There is two exchanges are there. Only Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. These two exchange where the shares get exchanged and the money is transferred to the person who are selling to the shares. That is called share market. That is very simple, guys. I hope everyone understand what is shares and what is share market. In the upcoming videos, I'll discuss more about Sensex, Nifty, and everything. Thanks for watching. If you like that video, please share it with your friends and comment it, and please subscribe. You will get definitely lot of videos. Trust me guys, you are going to learn lot more things in this channel.